This is your keyboard layout, your typing map. Let's get familiar with it. First things first, the keyboard is your primary tool for typing, but it's also how you'll give commands to your computer. For example, pressing the Enter key will insert a line break, pressing Ctrl-C will copy whatever is selected, and pasting with Ctrl-V will place that wherever your cursor is. More on keyboard shortcuts in a bit. Now let's break down these groups of keys. First, the alphanumeric keys. These are the letters A through Z and the numbers 0 through 9. You use these to type, well, letters and numbers. Next, the function keys, F1 through F12. These have special tasks. Like F1 will help you in games, like showing a menu or map, and in apps, it might show you help text. F2 through F9 can have different tasks depending on what app you're using. Like in File Explorer, F2 will rename a file. And F3 through F9 can open a vertical tab, a split screen, or a pop-up view depending on the app. F10 brings up the menu bar or the toolbar. F11 will make the window full screen, and F12 opens the developer tools in most browsers. Then we have the numeric keypad. Here you can quickly enter numbers by themselves. No need to use the mouse to click the number keys. Next, the navigation keys. These are the arrow keys for moving around, and the page up and page down keys for quickly moving through pages of stuff. Next, some special keys. The Enter key inserts a line break when typing, or you can press it to select something or to open a web page. The spacebar is, well, used for spacing, and the Backspace key will delete characters one at a time. The Delete key will also delete characters, but not until you press it, so it's quicker to use than Backspace. The Shift key is used with the alphanumeric keys to enter symbols like $%, an asterisk, and so on. The Ctrl key is used with other keys for copy and paste, and also for keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. The Alt key is used with numbers for simple calculations like Alt plus 8 or 8 squared. The Tab key moves the cursor to the next input field, and the Caps Lock key, well, it locks the caps lock. Now these are the main ones, but there are more shortcuts and stuff. To see a full list of all the keyboard shortcuts, search online for the full list. And for more on getting started with your keyboard, check out the related videos.